everyone, it's Angela from Bake Angel, and did you know that you can now find us on Amazon.com? Yes, that's right, we have a storefront on Amazon where you can find all of the recommendations and essentials that I use in my baking videos and also my decorating tutorials as well. So as you can see, if you go to the Bake Angel shop on Amazon, there's a few different shopping lists that I've arranged things in. So we have baking essentials, which is things like my favorite pans that I use, different equipment as well, some ingredients that I use, especially in a lot of my plant-based baking. Then if we go into the tech essentials, this is where you'll find everything that I recommend and personally use when I'm making my videos. So that's my tripod, my phone holders, a ring light, and of course my microphone as well, which gives that nice clear and crisp audio sound when I'm recording. Then also decorating essentials. Now this is kind of a one-stop shop if you're a cookie decorator or you do cakes or cupcakes. You'll find things like my favorite piping bags, the colors that I use, the top tips that I use for piping as well, like the 2D and the PME tips, which I think are absolutely fabulous for precision work. Then if we go back out, there is book recommendations. Now these are books that I personally own. I adore these books, and if you've seen any of my posts on social media, you know that I spend a lot of my time researching decorating tips and baking ideas as well, so that I can give you all of my best tips on my channels. So as I say, these are some of the ones that I currently have and highly recommend if you're dabbling in different types of decorating. Then we've got my cookie essential list, which is specifically for cookies. So if you're looking for my top recommendations for baking pans, flavorings, sprinkles, different tools as well. And I've also added in some basic cookie cutter sets. Now you'll see that I've got some Sugar Bell ones there and also Anne Clark. These are great sets to add to your toolkit if you're starting out, just so you can do a lot of different shapes and decorating ideas on them as well. And then the final one we have is fondant essentials. So for those of you that are starting to get into fondant cookie decorating, which if you've seen my videos you'll know I'm a fan of, these are some of the recommended tools that I use as well for all of my fondant decorating, and that's not just on cookies, that's also on cupcakes and cakes as well. So rolling pins, a scribe tool, modeling sticks and shapers, a Dresden tool, cutting wheel, all those kind of things as well. So make sure you go to amazon.com/shop/bakeangel and you'll find all of my recommendations. I'll always put links in my videos as well, so you can find everything nice and easily, and of course I'll keep adding to this as I create more videos for you. Hope this is helpful. Happy shopping!